you're eyeing Flashforge's C5 series, a few questions are bound to come up. What's the real difference between C5 and C5P? Is C5 enough for most users? And who is the Pro actually for? On core specs like build volume and toolhead design, C5 and C5P are identical. 4 independent toolheads, with color swapping taking just 7 seconds, and nearly 0 purge waste throughout multicolor printing. Print speed tops out at 600 mm per second on both, with acceleration at 30,000 mm per second squared. Leveling, extruder offset calibration are standard across both machines. So when it comes to the basics, can it do multicolor? How fast does it print? Is it beginner friendly? Both give you the same answer. Now let's look at the differences. First, the obvious one. C5 has an open frame design, while C5P features a fully enclosed chassis. But this isn't just about adding a shell. Creator 5 Pro comes with an active chamber heating system that can rapidly raise the internal temperature to 65 degrees Celsius and maintain it precisely. Coupled with internal and external dual circulation filtration, it effectively handles particulates and odors generated during printing. So what about print quality? If you're mainly printing standard materials like PLA, PETG, or TPU, the print quality from both machines is identical. But once you switch to engineering materials such as ABS, ASA, PA, PACF, or PAHTCF, the differences become clear. In an open environment, the unique properties of these engineering materials make print quality more susceptible to temperature fluctuations, leading to inconsistent results. C5P's enclosed chamber, maintained at a constant 65 degrees Celsius, reduces the likelihood of these issues right at the source. So which one should you pick? The logic is actually straightforward. If you're mainly using it at home or for personal hobbies, printing toys, creative ornaments, practical gadgets, and sticking mostly to PLA, PETG, and TPU, then C5 is more than enough. It offers a lower entry barrier while still giving you full access to all the advantages of a multicolor 4-nozzle printer. But if you're a designer, an engineer, or running a small print farm, and your projects frequently involve ABS, nylon, or carbon fiber reinforced materials, with higher demands on print success rate, batch consistency, and dimensional accuracy, then the C5P is definitely the option worth giving serious consideration.